Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. It's Ash and this is All That Ash. So today I just wanted to do kind of like a cute quick little beat. I received some lashes from the owner of AJOURD luxury lashes, and so I wanted to do a video so that way I could show you guys the lashes I received. Oh, and they're freaking cute, you guys. They are huge and they are beautiful. They're fluffy, they're comfortable, they're so freaking dramatic. This is what the box looks like. And it is so cute. Look at the purple glitter with the marble and everything. So when you open it up, your lashes will be inside. So I have mine on, but this is what they look like. They are so cute. They're 100% mink and they're cruelty free, you guys. And they're $10 a pair. They are so worth the money. They are so cute and I absolutely love it. Her next drop is coming on March 21st. So you guys know we're gonna have to get some lashes, okay? So I did give 2 pairs of these away on my Facebook Live. Like I said, is every Friday I do giveaways. I went live yesterday because I received them yesterday. And then, you know, I give them away on there. You guys hear my son in the background. Ashton. Yeah, so I did just want to say thank you so much, AJOURD Luxury Lashes, for sending me these, and I love them. I absolutely love them. So thank you so much for sponsoring the lashes. Sorry. But yeah, so I did just want to let you guys know I love them. I absolutely love them. So if you guys want to go to my page, All That Ash, go ahead and give me a like, follow it, however you choose. And then you guys will see when I tried them on and everything, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Everything I needed. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe for more videos and give this video a big like, okay? Let's go do some makeup. All right, so I'm starting off with this AQUAPHOR, and my skin is already freshly prepped. So I'm going to start with the FARSALI 24K Rose Gold Mist. This stuff is awesome. And this, I just like to hydrate my skin before I start putting all my makeup on. Next, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Illuminate Primer. You guys, this stuff is bomb. Like, watch how glowy and how radiant my skin looks. I'm using a tapered kabuki brush, so like a, it's kind of sideways, slanted. I love this because it's super, super thick, so it's going to hold the product and it's going to distribute it evenly. And now I'm going to color correct, and I'm going to mix the orange with the color concealer. It's like my flesh tone. I'm going to mix those together and I'm going to just tap this into my skin. Look at how beautiful that is already, you guys. This is from BH Cosmetics. This is like $6. I can't tell you guys enough how bomb this is. They have, I'm pretty sure, like a light, a medium, and a dark palette. This is the medium one. So I'm going to just put it where my redness is, where I have dark spots. I had a pimple on my nose, you guys, so I have to conceal that on my nose. I hated it. You guys probably saw it like when this video started. So yeah, I'm going to just keep color correcting, getting rid of all these dark spots. I love it. I love how it's so skin-like too. Like it literally just melts into your skin. Yes. Now I'm going to set all of that with this BH Cosmetics translucent setting powder. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and then I'm going to just set my face. So this is going to act as a barrier for my oil, so that way my skin stays looking pretty matte the majority of the day, or at least while I'm wearing the makeup. And now moving on to my brows. I'm going to take this spoolie and just brush them out. And now I figured out what this was freaking called, you guys. This is Embark by MAC. So I'm going to take that angled brush and then I start at the bottom and work my way to the top. And I use the powder first so that way I can figure out just kind of what shape I want to go with before I actually start using the pomade. And then this right here is where my brow is supposed to start, but my hair doesn't grow there, so I have to fake it. So that's just kind of like a trick that I use. And then just fill in. So when I do this with the shadow first, when I go in with the pomade, that kind of helps because it just kind of looks thicker when you end up making the hairs. So I'm going to just do the other brow. And then also the reason I use powder first is it's a lot easier to wipe off and manipulate instead of like the pomade that's going to dry and kind of want to stick there. So once again, I'm gonna fake the hairs right there in the center. Now, here's the pomade. This is in dark brown from Anastasia. And you guys, a little bit goes a long way. So this is so worth the money. And I'm gonna just do short little strokes. And I'm gonna just kind of fake the brow hair. All right, now this is the Anastasia Brow Definer in the color Chocolate. I love using this for the tips of my brow or like the tail of my brow because I just don't have any hair that grows there. So this literally sticks all day. I freaking love it. And then I'm gonna just clean it up. And then I'm gonna take this other angled brush and I'm gonna go in with that dark concealer. And then I'm gonna just clean up my brows on the bottom. All right, so I'm gonna smooth that out and move on to foundation. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me in 330, and I'm going back in with that same brush that I used my primer with, and I'm gonna just tap all of this foundation into my skin. So with this brush, because it's not absorbing a whole lot of product, it's gonna give you a really, really full coverage look, and then it's also going to make you look a little airbrushed. Like, I absolutely love how my foundation came out today. And I also like to put it, you know, all over my eyelids and just anywhere and everywhere and as close to your hairline as possible so that way it looks super natural. All right, moving on to concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. One is in the color Deep, the other one is in the color Sand, or Tan, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna just go ahead and use one that's closer to my skin tone, and then I'm gonna take the lighter shade and then just tap a little bit so that way I can get the effect that I want. I want just a subtle highlight. I don't want anything too crazy. So I'm gonna just go ahead and tap that into my skin the same way that I did my foundation. That way I get the most coverage. And I'm gonna bring that up pretty high so that way you can kind of conceal all the way up towards your brow. I'm gonna keep just tapping. And I love this technique because you're still keeping a lot of the product on, so you're getting the coverage that you want. And it's also super, super blended and smooth, and it looks so natural. I'm gonna go ahead and set that with my Black Radiance Banana Powder, and then I'm gonna just take this brush and I'm gonna just tap it on. I really liked using a brush today. I normally use my sponge, as you guys know, but using this brush was cool. I like how it came out. And then I'm gonna just make sure there's no excess sitting on top. And then now, as I was saying, I'm gonna use the Milani. This is the face powder in medium deep. I believe it said shine control powder. So my skin got lighter. This one has a lot more yellow in it. My MAC powder had more red. So, you know, when I spend more time in the sun, that's perfect for me. But haven't been doing too much of that lately. So I'm gonna just go ahead and keep tapping and make sure that I'm covered everywhere that I have that foundation. Next is bronzer. I love this, I said these, sorry. I love the Anastasia bronzer, as I was saying. This is bomb, okay? This is in the color Mahogany. And I just love how it warms up the face. Super subtle. And of course you can always make it more dramatic, but it was not necessary for this look. Moving on to blush, this is the Music Flower 5-color blusher stack. I'm going to use this kind of mauve shade. And I'm going to just tap it on before I just kind of move it around and blend it into my skin. Super subtle. And now this is an insert from an Ulta Beauty little boxes I was explaining. I'll show you guys the box in one of these other videos. But I'm going to just go ahead and highlight with that beautiful golden shade. Make sure you get your brows. I love it. And now I'm going to set my face with this Hard Candy Sheer Envy spray. And now we're doing eyes. This is from Colourpop. This is the MAR Ocean palette. I'm going to use that light brown shade. I'm going to just cover my entire lid. Next is this dark shade, and I'm going to just focus this on the outside of my eyes. So I kind of want to go for almost like a V shape. So I'm just going back and forth, back and forth. And then I'm going to take it over and then kind of wing it out a little bit. And I'm going very lightly before I start to darken it because I want to make sure that the shape is there, the shape I'm looking for. And then I'm going to just lightly blend it to the crease. The key here is really, really blend. And then I had some fallout, so I used just a fan brush to just go ahead and softly take it out. I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I'm using the left and right windshield wiper. I'm going fast and then sweeping it over into my crease. And then you always want to double check and make sure that they're just as dark on both sides. I started to like angle it and it really looked cute. And then add just a little more pigment, blend it. I like to slowly increase the pigment. Blend, blend, blend. And then now I'm going to smooth out the top with that same fluffy brush. And then just kind of work on that wing. Now I'm going to cut my crease with this MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. And I was laughing because I used so much on this eye, and then on the next eye, I've barely used any. You'll see in a second. And then I'm going to blend that together. So I didn't show you guys, but I dipped into the light brown and then the dark brown, so I mixed both of those shades. And that way it looks like, you know, that gradient effect that I had. So you see, this one is so much lighter. That's all right though. And then I'm gonna blend it again. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the glitter adhesive, and then I'm gonna put the MAC loose pigment. That's just a white, like pearl color. I didn't really see the color, to be honest with you. I'm gonna have to look at it, but as far as I know, it's just the white. So I'm gonna just tap that on top of the glitter adhesive, and I love how pigmented this was. This looks so freaking cute. I had some fallout, so I'm going to just take that fan brush again and just get it off my face. And then I'm going to go back over in the crease and then just make sure that that's blended as well.
And then, you know, just do my little touch-ups. Now this is a pencil brush in that dark brown shade, and I'm gonna just line my lower lashes. I like the little subtle smoke that this gives. This really completes the look. And then I'm going to take my Voluminous Primer by L'Oreal, and I'm going to just prime my lashes. Next, I'm going to take this dual-ended liner, and I'm going to do my moles. And then I'm going to put mascara on. Yes. This voluminous mascara is bomb. The carbon black is amazing. Super black. Okay. And now we're going to do the waterline with the SCANDALEYES waterproof black eyeliner. This stuff does not move, you guys. This is a bomb-ass eyeliner. All right, and then now I'm going to take this Stila liquid eyeshadow in the color Golden Stars, I believe it is. I'm going to just put that right there on my inner corners. That is beautiful. Absolutely freaking beautiful. I live. And I put it on the back of my hand and then use that little brush. So now for lashes, you guys. Oh my gosh. So I received these from the owner of AJOURD Luxury Lashes. These are the Queen #1, and they're so dramatic. Look at, they're cute, and I haven't even like looked at you guys yet. Oh my gosh. Mascara. Look at how bomb they are. They're huge, you guys. Oh my gosh. Now onto my lips. Sorry. I'm just using a brown lip liner. I'm just line my lips. I'm obsessed with these lashes, you guys. They're so freaking cute. This is the Colourpop lipstick in the color Quickie. It's like a nude. Like a peachy nude, I think. Super cute. Yes, and I'm gonna just blend, honey. And then I'm gonna tap with my fingers to blend it even more. And we done.
All right, my love, so this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Just a quick beat. I think it's cute. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. If you did like this video, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you need to go ahead and subscribe, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye.